Hey, I'm Ryan with Warner Discovers, and today I'm going to talk about a solar panel charging method for my motorcycle. Now, because I don't ride my bike super often, I need to maintain the battery charging with a battery tender, and that means I need to plug it into the house. Unfortunately, I don't really have a convenient outlet nearby, so my friend actually suggested why not use a solar panel. This was the perfect solution, and I don't know why I didn't think of it earlier. So I ended up picking up this Solperk solar panel, which is a multiple variety of wattage panel that they offer on Amazon, and I'll have links in the description for this and other associating panels. So basically you get a sizable solar panel depending on the wattage that you select, as well as an MPPT charge controller and an extension cable for the SAE connectors. Now conveniently I already had a SAE connector attached to my battery and on the outside of a motorcycle, so all I had to do was buy this and hang it on the fence and then hook it right up to my motorcycle, and I was good to go. So let's go ahead and check out the installation that I have currently set up. So I'm out here with the bike and I don't have a convenient extension cord, and as you can see here, the solar panel is plugged in with a quick connect. It goes right to the solar panel, and this is super convenient because in here you have the charge controller, which goes right to the battery, and you can see right now it is in the sun, lit up, charging. It is charged, so it keeps my bike on a trickle charger because honestly I don't ride it as much as I'd like. And for the solar panel, I just have it hanging on the fence here. You can mount it different ways. I've had it sitting here where the sun often hits the most during the day, and when I'm ready to ride I can just disconnect this and leave it hanging on the side of the bike. So I hope that gives you a good outline of the setup that I have on my motorcycle. Obviously you can use this for a variety of other devices, whether it's some kind of charging on a boat or an ATV or something like of that nature. But for me, this is the perfect solution. I've been using it now for weeks, and I've gone out there and it started right up with the battery that I've been using recently. I thought this was a super clever and simple way of integrating solar in a space that I actually needed it, so I couldn't reach an electrical outlet and I needed something out there in the driveway. And it's also an extremely minimal implementation. So I hope this helps somebody else maybe thinking of trying to charge another device or a similar situation, and just wanted to share this idea with anybody else looking to resolve a similar problem. I hope this helped give you a good overview, and let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.